Hi shoppers, I'm going to unbox for you a pair of Under Armour slides. These are boys and I ordered a size 4. So let's take a look and see what they look like post delivery. Alright, so there you go. Go ahead. Like I said, these are a boy size 4. So it has the little ridges on the inside. Kind of a plasticky, rubbery feel. These are really nice and soft. You can see the bottom has the logo on it. It's got some ridges, so it'll have good kind of traction. Anyway, this looks like those would be pretty comfy. And then just wanted to give you a view in case you're considering getting a pair of these and wanted to see what they look like. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.